back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create learning routines in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create learning routines in Notion, all you can do is simply go and tap open Notion. Once you open your Notion, you need to simply go and log in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account, you have basically two methods to create learning routines in Notion. One that is to use a Scratch customization paper, where you need to simply use and simply create your learning routine in Notion from scratch, or otherwise you can also use the pre-built template from Notion. So you can simply choose from widely used pre-made templates and you can simply get started. Now here in Notion, you can simply write and create your own learning routines by adding different kind of templates and adding your customized routines and stuff. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.